Don't thank me. Thank the goose that lays the golden egg. Good work, Goldie. Keep it up.
That's where he gets it.
That's all today, Goldie.
Please help an old lady who's cold and hungry. Let me come in and warm myself.
Look out! It's Captain Kidd! Quick, Goldie! Run for your life!
Sure, I'm Captain Kidd. And I want that goose.
Open the door! Let me in! Open the door!
Okay, pal.
You leave my goose alone, you big bully!
Tough guy, huh? I take what I want and I want what I take.
We take what we want and we want what we take, for we're pirates out hunting for treasure. If we see any gold, we steal it away, robbing widows and orphans of pleasure. We fight with our mates and we
Faster, you lubbers! And our fortune's made. I've got the goose that lays the golden egg. Weigh the anchor. We're going places.
Oh, we take what we want and we want what we take, for we're pirates out hunting for treasure. If we see any gold, we steal it away, robbing widows and orphans of pleasure. We fight with our mates and we cut and shoot. We're mean and we're bad from our hats to our boots. We take what we want and we want what we take, for we're pirates out hunting for treasure.
Poor Goldie! Poor Goldie! What'll I do? What'll I do?
Come on now. I want a dozen eggs. You better hurry up with those eggs. All right, then. I'll help myself. You little rat! I'll carry you from stem to